Not the video I wanted to be making, but here we are. The car freaking blew the engine. So here I am on the side of the road. Perfect thumbnail right there now. There's some bullshit. From what I could tell, it has a hole on the driver's side, like probably cylinder 5 or 6. But yeah, this shit is toast. And it's fucking cold. It's like 19 degrees or some shit. I went to do a pull to get over and she let go. So here we are. I tried to call some damn tow trucks, but these motherfuckers ain't picking up the phone. Sad days for the Z. Sad day. So the car's home. Time to start taking it apart. Well, the car freaking blew up. So as you guys see, it's towed, it's home. I guess the motor doesn't owe me anything. This thing been boosted for 5 years. Just kept making more and more and more power. It was making probably a little bit over 700. So I'm not even mad at it. Yeah, it's disappointing, obviously. But I got a spare motor here. The last motor I had on the car, I pulled it out because it was getting blow by. The motor wasn't blown or anything, it still ran. I just didn't want to blow it up so I could build it while I had a lower mileage motor in the car. But I guess now I'm gonna have to build this motor sooner than later because I don't have a car that runs, and this is my daily. But I'm in the process of getting one so I could build this year and have the car out, hopefully, I don't know, by the summer. Hopefully have the car out by the summer or, you know, the fall. We are expecting a baby, so that's priority. Once I get a daily, then I could start working on this thing. But I'll probably be pulling the motor this weekend just so I can see what happened. Depending on how cold it is, because it is freaking freezing and it's supposed to snow here again. The motor build is gonna commence here pretty soon, so that's all I have to say. It doesn't have anything to do with the tuner or anything because I daily drive this shit. I abuse it. So for the people that are gonna be saying that, you know, Soho blew up my car, you're a bunch of idiots. This car I've been driving this shit boosted for 5 years. So I just kept adding more power. When you make 700 horsepower and you daily drive the car and you beat the living hell out of it, this is probably what's gonna happen. So just a disclaimer there to not throw any shade on anybody. This could happen to anybody. It's part of the game. So it sucks that it happened to me, but it could happen to anybody. So just keep that in mind when you're building your car. I'm gonna throw in a few clips here so you guys can see how much I enjoy this car and all the power it made and all the freaking crazy dyno pulls that we did and everything, and some of the people that I gave a ride to. So enjoy and stay tuned for the build, because now definitely got to build another motor. I'm gonna be pulling this one and I'm gonna be documenting it again now that I'm in my house. It's not a tiny ass garage at an apartment complex that I could barely fit in there with the car. And pretty much I already did this one, so now it'll be a piece of cake to pull this motor out. So I'll definitely be documenting that. But yeah, stay tuned. You know, I'm not gonna stop posting. There'll be more podcasts, there'll be more videos of cars. You know, I want to improve my photography, so that means, like, you know, hitting people up to shoot their cars, make videos, and also hitting up like people themselves to do like portraits or like, you know, street photography and shit like that with models or whatever. So expect some of those videos. Expect more videos in like camera equipment, the mics and everything like that. There's a few videos I got planned. So I don't know what else to say, but enjoy these videos. Catch you guys in the next one. She is dialed in, boys. That's sick. Nothing to hide here. This is crazy. This car's about to eat. That was back-to-back pulls too.